Before 2020, I thought I had my life all figured out. I lost the weight, I had everything under control. But then the world shifted and my body did too. Between the stress of the pandemic and me hitting menopause, I didn't just hit a wall. I gained every single pound I've removed prior to that, and then some more. If you're over 50 and you feel like your body has gone offline, you're not alone. I am Yasna, and this is Kitchen Confidence with Yasna. I'm a full time IT professional navigating a tech career, a changing body, and a brand new road to health. Today, I'm sharing with you why I'm hitting my reset button, reclaiming my energy, and doing that one plant based meal at a time. In my day job in IT, I am used to working with complex systems, but menopause, that's a completely new system error altogether. The hot flashes, the brain fog, the loss of focus, appearing out of nowhere, it has been a challenge. Couple that with a sedentary lifestyle, a full time tech role, and weight regained in COVID, I realized I can't follow the same map anymore. I couldn't just work harder, I had to work differently. I'm not quitting my job. I love the challenges of my career. I love my daily work. I enjoy it very much. What I'm frustrated with and I'm quitting is the cycle of being mad at my body, being frustrated with my body. I found that the plant based eating and mindful talking, self talk, are not just hobbies anymore. They are tools that are going to help me navigate this new season of my life with grace and energy. On this channel, we're going to keep it real. We're going to talk about menopause friendly foods that help me stay energized during my long work days. We're going to talk about taking back my body, so to speak, my step-by-step journey on reclaiming my life and losing the weight one last time, and also about tech life harmony, my how I'm using the positive self-talk even when system is crashing. Whether you're a teen who is looking to learn how to cook, or you're a woman in my generation that is going through these shifts, there's a place for you here. We're going to find our confidence together. I'm embarking on this road today, and I would love it if you would walk it with me. If you're ready to stop fighting your body and start refueling it, hit the subscribe button. Let's build something together. And comment below, what's that one thing that has changed in your life health-wise in the last year? I'm Yasna, and this is Kitchen Confidence with Yasna. Welcome, and let's learn, eat, and live together. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.